somewhere. So, yeah,
Get it at the bottom. That place record.
started recording it now.
Okay.
So, we'll say that we recorded from the 14th question. So, because we had a lot of fun from question 1 to 13, so people did not, the finalists did not want that part to be made public. So, Nikhil, we'll pass you, go to Madhur.
Yes. So, will I lose anything if I answer incorrectly here?
No, you don't lose anything.
Okay, great. So, my guess would be that this is something to do with the pot or cannabis or hashish, something to do with that. I'm not sure which is which, but my guess is.
We will quickly pass you to Kapinjal.
Are these debentures related to like oil, you know?
You are not very clear what you said. You need to repeat.
Oil. He said oil.
Oil. Okay, not oil. We'll go to number 10, Mr. Yogesh. He has already Yogesh pounced.
I got
number 9. Number 9. Sushil.
Pass.
Samrat should be able to get his points.
Are you talking of any guilds, the electronic trading? Are you referring to that?
No, I'm not referring to that. So
okay.
I'll pass you to Rajarshi. Rajarshi, I think I'll pass you, and is Rajarshi on mute? Guys, please don't unmute mute yourself.
Yeah. So guessing these are the companies that are into boring, ground company, the boring company and Virgin who are into
nothing
setting up Hyperloop transport.
Okay. Save the misery. Whose direct was it?
Nikhil, I think.
Nikhil.
Yeah, I am there. 6 is there, 5 is there. I believe.
So 6 goes to 6. Six will pass you. Are you unmuted by any chance? If you are, then just raise your hand so that we know that you have. Again, I'm unmuting everybody. But Rajgopal, if you don't have an answer, we'll pass you to Robbie. And Robbie is waiting for pouncing.
Hey, I have a wild guess. So it's a wildlife.
Wildlife?
Yeah.
Okay, not wildlife. Number 4.
Convertible debentures.
They are debentures, but what kind of debentures are these?
Convertible, fully convertible.
No, I'm not sure about it, but that's not the answer we're looking for. So we'll go to number 3, Nikhil.
I've already given.
Okay, so we have moved around, and Yogesh has the answer, so we'll hear it from Yogesh.
This is for Wimbledon. They get a bet on the Wimbledon thing.
Oh,
these
wow.
are Wimbledon.
Nice one.
Good question.
Lovely, man. Very nice.
Yeah, so this is Wimbledon debentures. So you actually participate in the debentures, and from the debentures you are booking tickets in advance. So that's how these debentures come across. So debentures for Wimbledon tickets is the answer. Next question is for moved around. So it's Nikhil, and then it's Madhur, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Madhur.
Wrapped up.
Very easy one. Let's see how many pounces come. Pounds 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gone. Rajarshi has the pounds, and we are going to close pounds now. So Rajarshi gets 2 points. The previous question, I think Yogesh got 2.
Yeah.
Question, Rajarshi gets 2. And we go to Whom do we go to?
Madhur, sir, this is mine.
Madhur. Yes, Madhur.
So this is Uncle David.
You are right. Uncle David is the answer. So you get 1 point for knowing Uncle David, and David is the answer.
So just Yogesh, you got only 1 plus 2, right? And 1 plus 1, right? That's it.
1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Yeah. No. I got 2 pluses. 1. Yeah, only plus 2. Yeah.
In this one, you got only 1 and plus 2, right?
Yeah. Only 1.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm at plus 2 now.
Yeah, you're at plus 2 now. Yes.
Now we'll take a look at the scores after question 17, and then we'll have 18, 19, 20.
Cool.
This is direct to whom?
Modhuru it was. So
Kopinjal.
Yeah, number 1.
Kopinjal, number 1, you're direct. Something is blanked out. It's a registered trademark of Pfizer Healthcare. What was used to hide the microphones in the Watergate scandal? So you just have to name that trademark of Pfizer, which is blanked out there. I think Rajgopal got dropped off, so I'm just letting him in.
Yeah, he's closing the pounds.
The pounds closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Nikhil has the answer. So Nikhil has the answer. We will bypass Nikhil and go everywhere else.
So Nikhil gets plus 2.
Nikhil gets plus 2.
Oh wow.
So Kapinjal, you're direct.
Is it chapstick?
Chapstick is right. You get first 1.
Yes.
So I'm just trying to get in Rajgopal. He got locked out, unlocked. Yes, we'll just admit Rajgopal. I hope we did not lose out anything. And we will log the room again. So Kapinjal, you get your direct, and it was now a direct to Yogesh again.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
17, 17, Yogesh, you're direct.
Yeah.
And count starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pounds closes. I don't see anybody yet, and we close the pounds. So Yogesh, it's your direct.
Yeah, my industry. I know this. This is Fashion Week in New York. Earlier, it was only in France, Paris. That's my guess. They started this industry. Everybody used to go to France, so I believe they started New York Fashion Week or something.
You're right, absolutely right. So Kapinjal and Samrat, you gave out the answers, but it came after the pounds was over. So,
Shit. Okay, okay, that's fine. No issues.
So 1 point to Yogesh. So I'm giving. I think I am giving enough time for the pounds to happen, and you can read out.
As
the
you do.
So we'll just hear the scores from Subrato and then wrap up the last 3.
Okay, so Kapinjal has 5, Madhur has 11, Nikhil has 9, Joyanto has 2, Robi has 7, Rajgopal has 3, Rajorshi has 5, Samrat has 4, Sushil has 2, and Yogesh has 3.
Correct.
So let's post it, and then once you post, we will move.
I got all those ones and all.
Yeah, same with Yogesh also. I think he pounced on one. Okay,
See,
let me
you
put
bounce
it
on the
here.
multiples and you get double. So
Super Bowl by pounce I missed by a second level. Even this I missed the pounce.
okay, 5, 11, 9, 2, 7, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3. Anybody has any doubts
No,
on
no,
that?
you're fine. I am fine with my everything.
The others, hopefully they are fine as well. Number 18 coming up, and whose direct is it?
Jogesh it was. So after that it will be
Sushil.
9 Sushil.
Yeah, 9 Sushil.
Sushil, you're direct.
Yeah.
Easy one. Pounce 5.
Is it Nabak?
Please wait for the pounce.
Oh, wait, man. Sorry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pounce closes. Pounce closes. Nobody has the answer. So going back to whatever you said, you stick to your answer. Sushil?
Yeah.
Nabat?
Yeah.
Okay. We pass you. Samrat?
NHAI?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear that.
NHAI.
Not NHAI. Samrat to Rajarshi.
Passing it.
Going to Rajgopal.
Pass.
To Robi.
This is CPWD.
And you get your 1 point.
Very nice.
Central Public Works Department, CPWD. And Ravi gets his 1 point. Last 2 questions coming up. And what does it do?
Why didn't you pounce, Ruby, if you knew?
I was late. So
Ravi gets 8. Ravi is 8. Madhur is 11. So last 2 questions. So between Ravi, Madhur, and Nikhil, that's a tight. I think the rest will have to get their pounces to come closer. It's Madhur is pretty much in the lead. Nikhil good can catch up, and Ravi, you can do your own rally and try to catch up.
Question for Joyanto.
Question for Joyanto, yes.
Joyanto is number 8.
Number 4.
No,
Number 4.
Okay. Yeah, it's pounds.
A pretty long one. 3 answers needed. Organization, grandfather, and grandson. And we will start the pounce at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close the pounce now. Close pounce closed, and direct to Janto. Yes.
Nobody pounced?
Nobody pounced.
Hima.
Subroto, you would have better served if you were the participant rather than the scorer, right? You feel now?
Okay.
We'll quickly pass Janto. Yeah, we'll go to Nikhil.
Yeah.
Nikhil, it's your turn.
Yes. I'll take a guess. Indian coffee house.
And grandfather?
No, just a guess.
Okay, we'll pass it to Madhur. Madhur can consolidate and probably win on this question if he gets this right. Madhur, you consolidate or you leave the field open to the others? Madhur, if you have again muted yourself.
I'll pass, sir. I'll pass.
Yeah, Kapinjal. You can go up to 8.
Is it is it Chiti Birla is one. Yash Birla is one.
Okay, we'll go to Yogesh.
Sorry.
Okay. Shaheen Bagh and grandfather. Nehru and grandson will be, who was Nehru's grandson? Yeah, Rajiv Gandhi.
And the organization?
Organization, of course, Congress Party.
Oh,
Indian National Congress, Indian Congress Party. Yeah.
Great.
Congress Party.
Sushil.
Pass.
Samrat.
Pass.
Rajarshi.
Yeah, passing as well.
Rajgopal.
Pass.
And Robi.
Yeah, I will consolidate from the Nikhil if it's guess. Okay, so since grandfather and grandson, is it BT Ramdive and Vivek Ramdive? And Indian Coffee House is the organization.
Okay. 2 points for Yogesh for getting the grandfather and the grandson correct.
Really?
Oh,
wow.
And Rajiv Gandhi.
Isn't this National Herald?
No, not National Herald.
Oh.
What was Rajiv Gandhi's occupation before he became or jumped into politics?
Pilot.
Yeah.
Pilot.
So this is the Aero
There's a
Club.
wild.
Oh, Aero Club of India.
Aero Club.
So
Okay,
nice. Lovely.
Good question.
Just a blind guess. Just a blind guess.
Yogesh goes to 5. Yogesh goes to 5. But I think, Madhur, you have more or less won the quiz. Congratulations. Madhur is not able to speak, not able to express his happiness.
He was numb okay after winning it.
Final question, then it goes to whom? It goes to
Jogesh after Jogesh, Sushil probably.
Yeah. Sushil, this is your last question. Last question of the quiz. I hope everybody enjoyed. We wrapped this in.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
yes.
great question. Great
Dada,
questions and
absolutely
thanks
yes.
for doing it.
Very nice.
1 hour.
Dedicated only.
1 hour and 20 minutes. We are able to wrap up. That's credible in itself. We had a few dropouts, but I think the people who stayed back enjoyed. And one of the passes definitely coming to you, Madhur, and the other one basically is between Nikhil now, and if Ravi grabs it from Nikhil, then Ravi gets the other one. Final question to Sushil. Sushil,
Yeah.
it will go to Sushil, Samrat, Rajarshi, Rajgopal, and Ravi. Everybody can pounce, and the pounce will start now. You talked about everything, time management and stuff. This is your question on time management. So, sadly, only 1 point on offer, but anybody who can give the funda can certainly take all the credits. Sushil, the pound starts. Pounds is we start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I think somebody has pounds. 2 people, 3 people. Okay. Not really the fundas that you guys are giving, but since this is the last round, I will. Last question. No negatives per se. Nothing does it. It doesn't change. Even if you get the negatives, it doesn't really change anything. So no negatives. We're not giving you negatives, Ravi and Madhur. But we will want for the exact funda behind it. Though whatever you're saying is absolutely
Hey,
right.
can we attempt it? Can we attempt it or no?
Yeah, you can attempt it. You will attempt it.
Okay.
I'm very gracious. Last question. So, Funda is more or less whatever you're saying, but we want the application. What did it actually recommend? It recommended whatever you were saying, but very specific answer. We'll go to number 9, Sushil.
Is it related to some multitasking or multiprocessing?
Not really. I would have given whatever Ravi and Madhur said, but
Okay, okay, I know it. Shit. Yes.
we'll go to 8. Number 8.
Pass.
Number 7. Number 7, have you muted yourself again?
Yeah. Basically, cutting down on meeting time in smaller sprints. Earlier, they had this mandate where they had to have a hour-long meeting or something like that.
And
so the patent was for having shorter sprints or shorter duration of meetings.
Okay. 6.
I'm not sure.
Work from home.
It is.
Patent for work from home.
Not work from home. This is not that gentleman who did teleworker and all that. Franda. That person is not in New York. That person stays in the West Coast. So,
I got that.
number 6.
Oh, sorry. Then I don't have an answer.
Number 5.
Yeah, so what I wrote is they define the meeting timing as 40 minutes. So that is the maximum time a human can have attentive. So that's why they fill for the patent, and that's why that.
So Ravi, you take your 1 point. You get your point for
Nice.
this.
Very nice.
So it's basically the funda of that 40-minute meeting, but it's basically not to set the meeting till the full hour. That is the funda. You don't set the meeting for the full hour. You stop it at 47:53. Anything less than an hour. So that is the funda. So that is the patent, that whenever you do the meeting, you don't set the meeting timing. That when you schedule the meeting, you don't do it for an hour. You do it for something less than an hour, but typically 40 minutes. And that's where the funda of the 40-minute meeting or the Zoom time limit comes from. So that's the last question, and we will quickly have the scores, final scores, with Ravi getting 1 on that.
Yeah. So give me 1 second.
I'm now tied up with Nikhil.
Nikhil, yeah. So with that, Ruby and Nikhil are tied up.
So who had a higher score in the prelims? We will check that.
Who had a higher score in the prelims?
Yeah.
I think Rabida must
Nikhil had 11, Ruby had 15.
Okay, so Ravi, by virtue of why is Ravi 0?
Huh? Where is 0? No. 0, 9.
You publish it to everyone.
Okay, sorry. Everyone, here you go. Yeah.
Yeah, so Kapinjal, you end with 5 and you've raised your hand. I don't know for what.
I don't know.
Kapinjal 5, Madhur 11. Madhur, congratulations. We'll send you the voucher. Nikhil, absolutely sorry. But you win in India Wants to Know and get the voucher from there. So, Jayanta, thank you. Thanks for being. Jayanta, in fact, is my neighbor. He stays on the 3rd floor and I stay on the 6th.
I could not pounce. I could not pounce from my laptop.
No worries. Thank you for participating.
Yeah.
And I think I probably got a sense of what folks who enjoy quizzing probably are up to. So thank you for coming and joining. Ravi, as usual, thank you for coming. You take the next.
Hey, thanks for doing it. Okay, nice set of questions.
Rajgopal, thank you. We'll probably see you tomorrow. Rajarshi, thank you again.
Thank you, Ani. Really enjoyed it. Ani,
Rajarshi,
thank you very much. Really enjoyed. Hope to see you tomorrow.
Sure. Rajarshi, thank you. And Samrat, Sushil, Yogesh, thanks everyone.
Yeah, good questions, man.
Have a nice night.
Subroto
Good
and
questions, nice quiz, man.
Yeah, Subroto and
Thanks,
Sopik, if he's there.
Thank you.
Thank you, both of you. You did a tremendous job. Helped me out with tabulating the prelim score. That was a humongous task. I thought I could do it myself, but I was struggling, and you came to the rescue. So please, I don't know whether there would be another lockdown. It's too much of an effort. I don't know whether I can spend this much, but but most of these questions were picked up from I think everything is there in the Facebook group. If you're part of the Questions to Chew, everything. I don't think there is one single new question other than question number 1 and question number 20 here. Everything else is there. So if you have not gone through there, you can possibly. Probably I'm letting out a few trade secrets myself. I shouldn't be. But thank you again for coming and joining. And see you in other platforms as they are. Good night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you.